Yeah, good morning. Okay, welcome back to another tutorial, and today is just a quick one, probably less than 5 minutes. Yeah, today I want to show you how our auto roll splassive script work. Okay, now Splassive is a project built on the Avast network. Okay, on the Avast network, that gives you a daily return. I think 2%. Yeah, 2% of your daily return of your investment daily. Okay, I'm not an analyst, so I'm just a script builder that try to automate processes. Okay, automate routine processes. Okay, what you do daily. Okay, we'll just find a way to automate it. Now if you look at, after scanning the contract address on Snow Trace, I noticed that most of the function that I use there is to roll, which means rolling back their investment back into the project. Okay, so I just thought of it would be useful to build a script that will help you roll based on your own. This script can be customized to your own taste. If you want to roll every 24 hours, if you want to roll every 48 hours, even weekly, if you want to roll when the amount of available splassive to claim is up to 13 amount. Let's say you want to roll after five splassive, or what have you have a total control of the script. It can be customized to your own taste. Now let me show you how the script work. I have it running somewhere. Yes. Okay, you can see your available splassive is 1.88 blah 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 blah. I will compound once the available is up to 2. Okay, currently this script I set it to automatically roll when this splassive is up to 2. Okay, once this value is up to 2, it will roll and this will return back to 0. Okay, and it will start counting again. So that is that about that. Yeah, also if you have any other processes that you normally do, okay, in a routine periodically, okay, you can just set a script. You can discuss. Okay, you can message me on my WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Okay, and we can discuss on the project. Okay, so you can actually save yourself some time instead of going back to do the same thing every day. Okay, this extends to even formatting data, pulling data, something you do in routinely. Okay, in a routine fashion. Okay, we can discuss it and find a script for you. Okay, design a script for you, design a bot for you that will do this for you. Okay, and computer is garbage in, garbage out. Okay, its accuracy is top notch. Okay, it's what you ask it to do that it will automatically do, unless you send in a wrong command, of course. So that is that about that. It's just a quick video. Okay, so you can always contact me if you want the script to even do more than this. Okay, you can discuss on the claim and anything concerning smart contracts and that you want to interact with. We can always discuss and build a script for them. So if you have any question, just leave it in the comment. Make sure you subscribe, you like, you share, and just a way to support me any way you can. Make sure you do that. So do have a lovely day ahead and happy weekend. Stay blessed.